Hey guys, so I'm headed to get my new sewing machine. I'm excited because my mom gifted to me for learning how to sew, and it's a better machine than I already have. It's my machine's original, and this one is a computerized machine. So I'm so excited to open it up, use it today, and I wanted to take you guys on the journey with me.
Thank you.
Thank you so
welcome.
much. You're
Enjoy.
so kind.
Her doing some video of you.
This was such a steal.
Where the factory at?
Even Adrian was like, I was about to, I've been looking for one for you. Hey guys, so we're gonna unbox the sewing machine that we picked up. I'm so excited. This was my old one that I was using. My mom, gave this to me for my starting off my sewing journey and stuff. And then, my bestie told me, since I'm making bigger things and I'm, learning fast and I'm moving fast, to get a more high quality sewing machine. So as you can see, we got a heavy duty Singer. And now we're gonna cut it open and we're gonna see what it does. So this is my first own sewing machine that I've never had a sewing machine before. So this is my first new own sewing machine and I'm excited. And I want to share it with you guys. You guys are gonna see so much fun content and I can't wait to show you using this machine. Okay. It's gray too. Interesting. What an interesting color. We got the little stuff that comes with it. Oh, and the machine is computerized too. So it's a computerized machine. It's not a manual machine like this. My first one that I've been using. Dust bag that you can sit it in. It comes with the foot as well. Cord. Oh, wow. Oh, here we go. Look at it. Look at it. Goodness. This is the front of it. So cool. And I got it for a pretty penny. This machine was probably about $400 and I got it for $180. Thanks to the Most High. Yeah, you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna plug it up too. Just to, show you guys the plug up and stuff. So, obviously the difference from a computerized machine is that it's computerized and this is manual. So I read a lot of the reviews and they did say that the computerized machine is a lot faster than the manual one. So we're gonna be moving fast making these outfits. You hear what I'm saying? And two, I just want to introduce Teflon Drip because it's gonna be my fitness line. I'm mixing sexy and fitness fashion for my fitness line. So that's really why I started sewing and wanted to learn to sew because that's the journey that I've been on. And then I'm gonna make fitness clothes for the girlies. And hello to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I have a lot to show you. Well, tune in and you're gonna see more, okay? And I appreciate all the love. You guys are very inspiring and helping me on this journey with showing me love. I appreciate that. I really, really do. It means so much to me. So thank you so much. Now we're not gonna use it on this video because this is just an unboxing, but I just wanna show you guys the little differences between the two. Ooh. It's turned on. Okay, let's see. Obviously, you can see it has all the different kinds of stitching here. I think it has 99 different stitches. Oh my gosh. Compared to this one has 4, like 8, I believe. So this is a complete upgrade, which is dope. And so we gotta register our product. So we register it so they can know. Well, you know what, guys? I probably need to kind of sit down and go through the manual for the computerized one and stuff before I can kind of really tell you like the difference between the two. Well, obviously the difference is because this one's computerized and this one is manual, but yeah, so it comes with all these little trinkets for the machine though. So I gotta set all that up. I just kind of wanted to just show you guys and let you guys know that I am sewing, and this is the real deal. I actually sew, and I've learned, and I'm moving pretty fast. So my friend was like, just get an upgraded machine because it's better, and you know, you'll move faster. Because working with a manual machine, it's a lot slower than the computerized one. So I'm gonna put this together, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys for stopping by.